project on urban circular bioeconomy because I think it's important to get the most out of food waste and garden waste, to provide solutions for a sustainable society where the resources are depleting and demand is increasing. Even if my daily work is not really focused on food waste prevention, but on food waste valorization, in the ZeroW project we try to touch upon this topic in the stakeholder engagement platforms because we think that it's essential that stakeholders understand that a sustainable urban circular bioeconomy model is based on unavoidable food waste loss, and that you can't produce just more food waste or waste in general thinking that afterwards there will be a valorization. So unavoidable food waste is the starting point for a sustainable urban circular bioeconomy model. The next steps of the ZeroW project are now based basically on the replication across Europe. We have been working with 8 lighthouses, cities and regions who are our pilots, and now we have actively engaged recruitment for the ZeroW network of cities and regions. If you are a local authority or a waste management company, join us to really understand how to foster urban circular bioeconomy in your territory. There's a huge amount of food lost along the macronutrient production process. I mean carbohydrates, protein and fats. We are usually used to think of food waste at an industrial level when we think of the food industry producing prep foods. But if we look further, we see that, for example, if you want to eat 1 kilo of protein from pork meat, you have to give that animal 5 kilograms of feed per 1 kilogram of eatable pork meat. So why to produce 5 kilos of protein, and how much protein, usually soybeans, is wasted along the process? So my personal recommendation as a consumer basically is to try to eat more vegetable and avoid processed food as much as possible and choose local food with a short macronutrient value chain production process.